Alright everybody, welcome back to another speed build, and today we have a speed build of the 20th anniversary edition Snow Speeder. Now this set is ages 7 up, its number is 75259, and it has 309 pieces. Comes with 3 minifigs and the exclusive Lando figure. So there is Lando at the top of the box again, just more. Got the 20th anniversary box art here. As you can see, you got all the ones that you can collect. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. And then you have the original set there, which, yeah, that's, and then, you know, just the set again. And this set actually has thumb tabs, which I was really surprised about. In a $40 set. Oh wait, yeah, I'm pretty sure this one was 40 bucks. In a $40 set, I personally would not expect thumb tabs, but let me just get this open. Alright everybody, so, didn't need the handy scissors that I brought over. So, when we get the box open, as you can see, the box completely empty. You have bag 2. Stickers, bag 3, bag 4, bag 1, and the instruction manual, which is not folded. And I'm only complaining about the issue of folded manuals because my $70 set manual is folded, but my $40 set manual is not folded. I don't get it, but you know, that's fine. So let's just get right into the build. Alright everybody, so here is the entire set all built with the Lando figure. So guys, I want to thank you for watching and have a great and fantastic rest of your day.